What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the 2023 Dodge Challenger RT Daytona edition. It's the new daily driver for the house. We've been looking at this car for a little bit over 2 years or 2 years, something like that. Marty keeps giving me crap for it, but I kept looking around for a basic RT, and anywhere like within a couple hundred miles from here, they wanted, you know how Dodge is, they ain't cheap for just a stock car, like not stock but like base. And I ended up finding this Daytona edition in Miami for about the same price that they wanted, just a regular one with nothing. So my restrictions were the boss, my wife, wanted a gold mango. I don't know if it looks gold mango, if it looks red right now, but it's gold mango. She wanted gold mango or maybe this Sawyer gray. So I ended up finding this gold mango Daytona edition down in Miami for pretty much the same price. I locked in some base RTs up here in Central Florida, and I didn't care for the Daytona pack, but now that we have it, it's actually pretty cool. Like, it has like the black wing, the Daytona wrap. It has the matte black on top. This is going away. We're gonna wrap this in black. Also has some pretty cool, nicer wheels. They're 20s. Daytona badges all over the place. It has the open Kai inside, black mirrors. The inside, I love the seats. The seats are awesome inside. Beautiful. It's gonna take some taking care of them, but we're probably gonna put some covers to take care of them. Inside, it's all nice, has AC and plugs in the back. Also it has like these little like different stitching and stuff on the doors because of the Daytona edition. This right here, this is pretty nice. I like this kind of like brush. I don't know, it's a weird name, I forgot about it. It has home link, different things. I mean, for the Daytona package that I didn't care for, I end up liking all the attachments and things that it has. Also, we've had it for just maybe about 3 weeks. About 3 weeks now, and we already did the muffler delete. You know how it is. I mean, we bought it, and the next day it was on the shop, the Tyler shop. Just getting a muffler delete right away so we can get the sound. Let me see if I have a sound clip. I think I have a sound clip stock. I'll put it on right now. You can hit it one time so I can hear it. And I'll let you hear it after it came out of the muffler shop. Definitely different for you. Oh yeah. Night and day. Oh yeah. Perfect. Sounds really good. It's a good tone just idling. And of course we locked the valves open already too when we did the springs. Yep, it's got lowering springs already on it too. It's got Eibach lowering springs. Makes the car look so good, so good. Just a nice ride height, not super low, but just enough to make it look really good. And yeah, that's the new addition to the house, the new daily driver for the wife. Definitely going to be driving this more around. Plans for it, we're gonna probably add a little lip to make it look a little nicer right there. Maybe a wiggle bill, we'll see. Definitely some seat covers to protect those seats. And just gonna drive it around and have some fun. If I can get my wife to get on the track, we'll run out of the track, see what it runs. Maybe it'll run I don't know, a 12. I haven't checked what these cars run. Run a 12 or a 13. So we'll see. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna put the camera behind it. I'll let you guys hear some exhaust revs here in a second. So we'll see how it goes. Sounds pretty good, yeah. Yeah, I like how these cars sound. They're comfortable, sound nice. You got a nice rumble, comfy seats to drive around, vented seats. That's the best thing ever too. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this car. So things that we got coming up. I got the Camaro SS1LE. I just ordered a TCM, unlocked TCM. So as soon as we get it, it's gonna get tuned by Guadney Performance. We'll put it, slap it on the car, take it to the track, see if it does better, see how it feels, walk you through the whole installation and programming process. Also, we got Omar's Mustang GT. If you know him from the V6 Supercharged, I don't know if we've shared that he got a GT. He bought a GT, and he's been just having fun tracking it. He's been all over the place. Sebring, Daytona. I don't know if he's been to the firm or not, but he loves the track, so he's been doing that. We're putting a GT350R bumper from Extreme Online Store on that here next week. We just got it back from painting, so we'll get that going too. And yeah, we'll just keep having fun. When I go with the Camaro to the track, hopefully we got a friend that put some money into his Mustangs, and it should be running a 9s. So yeah, Eddie, let's see if we can get you on the track out there and see what the car does. He went from PP1 car, full weight, full everything, just NA build, now to boost and converter and all the whistles. So we'll see how it goes. Before I forgot that I like this. Like, it has a sport mode. So when you hit super track, you can go in here and you can change like the default mode to, you know, normal, paddles off, traction control normal, steering, you know, comfy normal or whatever. But then when you go back, you can set up that when you hit the sport button, this stuff happens. So I leave traction on normal because it's, you know, the boss's wife. I don't want traction to go on sport and then she goes sideways. So everything goes sport, paddles on, steering on sport. So the CF transmission just, you know, shifts way better and lets you hear the car a little bit more. So it just gets a little spicier. And also, let me see if I have it for the track. Maybe we got to try it. It has launch control, and you can put it anywhere all the way up to 3,000 RPM. So we'll have to try that sometime soon. Haha. So yeah, let me put it on sport mode, see if I can get out of here and let you hear the car a little bit from the inside. On the paddles here, let you hear a little bit better. Hate not having my attachment, but here we go. Hopefully I can hide the wind that you can still hear it. Here you go one last time. Car looks beautiful with the springs. Sounds good. Super comfy. I think it was a good buy. So yeah, just let us know in the comments what you think, and see you guys later. Peace.